Hey guys, Carson and Fritz here. So I wanted to give you an update on the shop and all the craziness going on with me. Here's what we have going on. This is a Steel Masters Kwanzaa hut. It's 10 foot across by 20 feet deep. It's pretty crazy. It was a bear to build, but it's extremely structurally sound. Like, it's gonna be hot, like really hot in Arizona in the summertime. But I've got air conditioner and a portable swamp cooler, and maybe I'll cut some vents in the roof, and to let the hot air out. But I'm gonna do a paver floor, and so that will be my floor. And then, like, I've got a concrete base over here. So the concrete base was like 80 bags of concrete. It was kind of insane. Right here is going to be an end wall. We've started putting up the end wall sections here, and then you just put in like the foam that they have and put the end wall up piece by piece and bolt it all together. Pretty incredible. Like it's pretty well half-inch. Half-inch anchor bolts that go about 3 inches down. Pretty crazy. It is unbelievably sturdy. It should stand up to anything that Arizona could throw at it. It's rated to like 4,000 pounds of holding strength. For the like, if it were to be in a state where it would snow. So it's made to hold like all kinds of snow and everything like that. And like they're built in Canada, and then it was shipped down here. Lots and lots and lots and lots of bolts. Like each one of these. So these arches are built in 3 sections. Like, so you have one straight section, and then you have an arch section, and then you have another straight section. And you put it up one arch at a time. You put together the arches and then lean out one arch up, and then kind of bolt it down, and you put the next arch up to it, and you bolt them together. And yeah, so lots and lots and lots and lots of bolts. Really, really crazy. But it's 10 feet tall, so it'll give me a lot of storage space and then room to work on stuff. So I plan to build like a loft in here that starts at like 8 feet, so I end up with like 2 feet worth of storage at the top, which should give me plenty of extra storage. And then I'm sure there'll be shelves and all kinds of craziness that happen, and it'll be an interesting journey to get it to the point of a usable shop. I've still got work to do. Like, I've got all these bolt holes like here to fill, because I didn't build it the way that their instructions tell me to build it, because their instructions were extreme overkill. So like these bolt holes here, I'm gonna fill those with bolts, and then I'm gonna flex seal the bottom with some flex seal and maybe some caulking. I don't know. We'll see. But it's been quite a process to get to this point. It's taken a lot of work by me and a couple of friends. My dad has come over and helped, which has been an incredible help. My buddy James, who spent multiple weekends over here just busting this out. It's really, really cool. Very excited to get it to the point of a usable shop. No, I'm not going to be pulling a car in here. I've heard that a lot. I'm not going to be pulling a car in here. It's just going to be like a metalworking shop and a place to, you know, rebuild carburetors or whatnot, and, you know, have storage for parts and pieces and all kinds of stuff in my house that I don't have room for. And now what I've got to figure out, after all the fit and finish is done, I've got to get power to it, you know, which the way my house is designed, I don't think that'll be too hard. But, you know, we'll see. Everything always tends to be a little bit more complicated than you expect. But yeah, I mean, just a little update. Let's see. So the hood doesn't want to open on car. Like, even having someone pull on the hood release while I try and lift up on the hood isn't releasing the hood. So that's going to be a fun, interesting thing to deal with, because I'd like to check the water and check the oil, and, you know, because old car. So I got to get that figured out. Other than that, you know, really need to probably tomorrow do the rotors and the pads on my wife's Rogue. And then I really need to sit down and do the transfer case shifter cable on my Jeep, because I've had that for like 3 months and haven't got around to it because busy. Big milestone. We passed over 200 subscribers. I really appreciate all the people that have watched my videos, that have commented. I've gotten a lot of comments lately and a lot of watches. I think it's incredible that I'm now over 200 subscribers. Keep liking, keep subbing, keep sharing, keep commenting. You know, I do have a merch store, which is Teespring/Cars on the Fritz. When I upload this, I'll try and remember to spend the time to put a link in the description. A couple of my other videos have links in the description. But if you want some merch, I've got cool merch there. You know, some stuff, real cool pictures I've taken of the truck, and I even have truck pillows and all kinds of craziness like that. But over 200 subscribers and tons of watches in the last like 2 weeks. It's been incredible. So I really appreciate that, to all my new subs and all my old subs and all the people that have stuck through all this craziness with me. Hopefully this shop will lead to even more cool stuff. Maybe you guys will get to see me do some metal work, or, you know, learn some metal work, because I've got a lot of learning to do, but I'm okay with that, and I'm ready to pull that off. So, but I really appreciate all the likes and subs and, you know, watches. Like, the tons and tons of watches have been incredible. So I really appreciate your guys' time. I'll keep you updated as we get the end wall up and the doorway and everything like that. And, all right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.